Hi from Laundry Talk. In today's video, I will show you how my 2-year-old works on decoding and putting sounds together to make new words. Hope you enjoy. This is from our game Boggle Jr. that she has. Don't mind the things on the table.
Tell me a new word. Tell me a new word.
Tell you a new word? But this is the word. We're going to do the word frog. See the word frog over here? So we're missing some of the die. And so we're going to use this game and put the word in here.
Look,
What?
that's a ladder.
What does that say?
Nope, that's not.
That's not a word.
That's not a word.
So do you want to take it off so we can spell the word frog?
No, look, the banana ladder. It says it's like what? This.
Abawood. Abawood. Do you think that's a word?
No, I believe it's not a word.
You don't believe is a word, okay?
No, that is like what? That is like what? This.
Okay. Well, my baby here, my toddler, she is 2 and she's spelling words. So let's put this away, okay? And let's show everyone that you can put the words together yourself, okay? Oh, you have one missing here from another word that she made. Okay, so we took a break and now we're going to come back to do more words. So let's spell the word frog. What is the first letter in the word frog? What is the first letter in the word frog? Wait, no, the word is over here, baby. It's over there. Look, baby. What is the first letter in the word frog?
F.
Very good. So now we're going to need the F. Where is the F?
This one is F.
Perfect. Okay.
This one.
Awesome. And what's the next letter in the word frog?
R.
Very good.
Where is R?
Good question.
Where is R?
Look for the letter R.
Is this the word R too?
No.
Is this the word R?
No.
Is that the word R?
No, that's not the letter R.
This? Look. This.
Camila.
But this one, this is yo-yo.
Yes, but we're not playing the guess which letter it is. Can you find the letter R, please?
Where the letter R go? This the letter R. This.
Yes, you got it. She clearly knows. All right, what's the next letter?
O.
In the word frog. Then,
O.
Very good. Where's the letter O? Is that the letter O?
No, that's you.
Okay, so where's the letter O?
This one.
Okay, good job. Okay, and what do we need next?
R.
Wait, look again.
Let me see R. That's
Wait,
an R.
no, that's a R, baby? You have the right letter in your hand, but what is that?
D.
G, very good. Okay, and now we're gonna sound it out. Let's start from the first one.
That's the letter F. That's the letter R. That's the letter go. That's the letter O. And that's the letter D.
Okay, so let's sound it out.
D. R. D.
All right, together. Frog. What is it saying?
Frog.
Very good. Very good. Thank you for putting everything back, and thank you for showing everyone that you can make your words and you know what they look like, what they sound like, and where they are. And cleaning up is also very important. Good. Now she's...
Let's draw bicycle.
Let me see.
No, let me see. This one we need B.
We need a B? Okay, that's the first letter.
Look,
Okay,
this
she's
is a letter B.
very good. Okay, you're going fast on this one.
And we need a letter L.
It looks like an L, but it's an I. I know it's confusing. This game, some of the games show the letter I like this, and so it gets.
The letter I.
Yes, but she still knows that the letter I.
See, that's ice cream.
Yes, it was here where it says, where's an ice cream, you see? There you go. Awesome, baby. So just in case you guys thought that she already knew this before and I picked a word that she had done.
We need.
What is it? What do we need?
Kite.
No. K for kite, but what is the letter? What is this letter?
Kite. He say kite.
Yes.
This is letter kite.
K is for kite, but what is the name of this letter? What is that letter that you're taking out?
Kite.
Yes, the kite is there, but what is that letter? What is the name of this?
Kite. That's a word kite. That's kite. That's kite.
That's a K.
K.
K, yes.
K.
K.
Look,
And
look, that's a word kite.
got it. Also, Camila, yes, this is a bicycle because it has two wheels, but what does this word say?
Bicycle.
That is a bicycle, but this word says
But.
bike.
But.
Yes, bike.
But.
Okay? It doesn't say bicycle. This is a shorter word. Bike is short for bicycle.
We need the letter E.
Yes, we do need the letter E. Very good.
Now, where's the letter E?
Where is that letter E? Good question.
That's the letter I. That's the letter B. But. That's the letter K.
Okay, yeah, but then where's the E? Very interesting. I don't know where the letter E is. Do you know where the letter E is? Can you help Camila find the letter E?
Of course it's not.
Of course they can help you.
Of course it's not this one.
Of course it's not.
Of course it's not this one. That's the word Z. Remember?
Yes, I remember that's the word Z. So it's not that one. Then where is the letter E? Let me show all the letters. Can you point to the letter E?
This E?
No, come on.
This
Yes, that one. Very good. See? And you got help to find it.
And we're making it. Now we leave it like key.
We leave it like that.
Key.
Oh, wait, yes, you're going to another word. Hold on. Let's show everyone. 1 second, baby.
I want to like key.
I know, but wait. One moment. So now we have to just show the word. What does this say?
Bicycle.
Not bicycle, baby. Bike.
But.
Yes.
That's a word. But.
Yes, that is the word bike. Thank you very much for reading it properly this time. Say bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. What day is it watching?
Okay, well, thank you, everyone, for watching. Don't forget to smile, and we'll see you again in another session.